Okay, so now we're in Eiger. Eiger is something I'll send you the link to get access to this. And once you get in here, you're gonna see basically a library of everything that's been done on our machine. And yes, it's public, so just be aware. It's used a lot by robotics and our other engineering groups. So you're gonna be in the library here. You're gonna come up to import STL. So click on here, and let's see, it should be in downloads. So it was, this was one of them, import. And let's actually rename this. Let's say ping pong grip test. So it comes into, and there's not going to be a lot you have to do here. It comes into our build platform. Basically, this grid is the size of our print bed, and I want to get the other one in here too. So I'm going to, let's see. Actually, we'll do that separately. So this is going to be 1/2. I can readjust this. I can tell it to print in a different orientation here, like that, or I can print it. So that basically, wherever you click is going to be the plane that it wants to print on the platform. I think it's going to be best if we orient them like this. So keep it like this, not like this, obviously, or anything else, but let's do it like that. And then that's really all you're going to have to do. I'm not going to have you fiddle around with the settings at all. This printer has a capacity to print with carbon fiber. We're not going to do that. There's no point in what we're doing. So we're just going to click save. And it will basically process and say over here, it's going to say how long it's going to take to print, what the cost will be, stuff like that. Just give it a second there. So 2 hours, 10 minutes, couple bucks. And then we need to do this to the other piece too. So go back to the library, and we're going to come back to import STL. I think I picked this one last, so I'm going to pick this one. Just make sure you don't do the same one twice, right? So we're going to call it ping pong grip test 2. Yeah, good. So this is the other one because it came in upside down, basically. I'm just going to click on that plane that I want it to go face down. Boom. Save. And that should be it. When we actually go to print them, which I'll probably end up doing remotely, when we go to print them, I'll put multiple on the platform together. So that's relatively easy to do. But you get it this far. This one takes 2.5 hours. You get it this far, and I'll take care of the printing. Whatever you do, please don't ever come down here and click print. If a print, you can print this from another location. So whether you're here or at home, if you click print here and then tell it to actually print, it could actually start the printer, and if the printer has something on the bed already, it could damage something. So I don't want you to ever do that. If you do need to print something yourself, then I'll just confirm with me, and we would make sure that the printer is available. So what I'd like you to do basically is get it this far, label it. It'll label with your name automatically, so that's fine. And then just make sure you have both parts labeled like 1 and 2, like I do here, or just plain and 2. So I know that they're both yours and they're both different, and that we're good to go. All right, email me if you have any questions.